Yeah, I guess this won't be a very long video because there's not an awful lot to show, seeing as I don't really have a front-end interface at the moment. This is just the cosmetic view, kind of what's going on. The purple numbers are how many instances of an actor are actually hosted on Cosmonic, and then the other numbers mean they're just hosted anywhere else. So for the sensor readers, I think I've got 5 on the droplet as well. And then same for the Pangea API, I've got about 10 of them running on the droplet in Singapore. So they can just spin up whenever there's too much load. But yeah, not really much else to see here. I mean, you can see, these are pretty cool, I guess. You can see a direction of calls between them and such. But yeah, here's the audit log itself. Obviously, these are all simulated because my student network, whatever, or the internet of my student accommodation doesn't really make it easy to have devices communicate on a local network. It's a bit annoying. It is what it is. Simulation's been working fine though. I had to reduce the frequency because see, I started with $5 yesterday. Now I've only got $3.78 left because they were polling like probably on average every few seconds. They all poll at different intervals, and there's about 40 of them. So that added up pretty quickly. I guess I could briefly show what I'm talking about when I said I had too much business logic in the provider. So this is one of the actors, really simple, not many lines of code, nice and easy. Same for the HTTP gateway is a little bit more, but yeah, it's still not much. Something that's nice about the component, the WAS and cloud way of doing things, whatever, is I've already written the interface for getting the UI. I haven't actually implemented the UI, but if I ever do implement it, I don't need to change any of the actors I've got running at the moment. I just need to deploy the UI actor, and yeah, it will just call this function, which communicates with the UI actor, grabs the assets, and sends it back to whoever's requesting them. But yeah, that's for another day, I guess. Yeah, this is the actual Pangea API. There's a little bit more going on here, I guess, but it's still not much. That's just building requests and stuff. Yeah. Yeah, and this is the sensor reader. You'd expect this to be doing a bit more, but it doesn't do an awful lot. And then when you get to this, yeah, this is the polling provider. In my opinion, it's just doing too much. It it should just be doing, in my opinion anyway, it should just be handling the logic of, handling the polling intervals and then calling some other actors to do the rest of the work. Yeah, it doesn't feel right having everything happening here. But sorry it's not finished. Guess that's all you get to see.